And how are you? I hope you are all well at home. Today I am going to teach you these, and those. Previous class was I teach this, that. Okay, this is a cow. Which things is near to us? That is, we said this is a cow. Which things are far from us? That is called that is. That is a hut. This is a ball. That is a star. This is a cat. That is a book. See, observe here the things all only one. That means singular. When there is only one, there we can use this and that. For near, we use this, and for far, we can use that. Like that, when there are plural. Observe, when there are plural. Plural means more than two or more than two. See, these are the books, and here also books. When is near to the us, when the books are near to us, we say these books. When the books are very far from us, there we can say those books. Let's discuss about this topic. See, one of the example I'll show. So which thing is near to this? It is called this apple. It is very far, that apple. Here have not only apple. There are many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, no? So like we say, these cherries. This is not apple, cherries. Those cherries, because it's a far. Then you can fill here the correct answer. Here see the computer game. The first one, the computer game. Dash is a computer game. This or that or these or those. Computer game, it is only one thing. Is it no? It is very near. So we can write here this. This is a computer game. Here see, here observe, trucks are there. Lorries. Lorries are there. We can say here dash or lorries. These are lorries or those are lorries. This is very far. Far ಅಂದರೆ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So we can say here those. Those are lorries. Then camera. It is also very far, but here have only singular. So we can write that is a camera. That is a camera. Then you have kite. It is near to us. So we can write this is a kite. And the balls we can use these are balls. These are balls. The watches, dash are watches. They are very far. So we can write those are watches. Dash is dash. They given this is a pen. What is that picture? This is a pen. And it is very far. What is that? Eraser. So we can write it is not near. So that is a eraser. Eraser. Chairs. Dash or dash. Chairs. But near or far? It is near. So we can write these are chairs. These are chairs. Okay, children. Here I'll show still more examples. Look at that. This is a cat. It is very near, no? It is only one. That means singular. This we can use. Here cats are there. It is near, so we can use these. Why? Because 1, 2, 3. 2 are more than 2. That is called the plural. That is a bird. It is very far. Is it no? So we are use that. Even more birds are there. So we are using as those are birds. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. These are elephants. That is a rat. Those are rats. Okay, still I will give example. Look at here. These and those only. Here have many books. Sorry. Here have many books. Here also many books. Here two pens, two chairs, ducks. Ducks are there. But it is very near. So we can use here these are books. What should we say? These are books. This is called those are books. The pens, these are pens, which is very far. They use those are pens. Which chairs are near? These are chairs. Which chairs are far? So we can say those are chairs. These are ducks. And those are ducks. Okay, I hope understood. So the last activity, can you fill this answer? Dash are flowers. These are those. These are those. These. These are flowers. Here trees. Dash are trees. Those are trees. Dash are bags. These are bags. Dash are, they are also very far. They are also very far, no? So we can write there. Those are bags. Dash are houses. These are houses. Dash are balls. These are balls. Dash are dogs. Those are dogs. Okay, children, you can copy this mine into your notes. I hope you are understood well. Okay, bye, children.